just... Is this what I'm supposed to do? What's good guys? Welcome back to my channel. 저는 지구 반대편에서 생생한 현지 영어를 여러분께 배달드리는 지구영어의 지구쌤입니다. So I wasn't really planning on filming this part. I was just going to do the bike riding and interviewing portion. But then my Apple Watch package actually came in 2 days earlier than expected. So kudos to Amazon. So now I get to have the watch on as I go bike riding with Lucky. You guys remember Lucky? So I was like, why not try something different? So I'm gonna film this whole unboxing thing for the first time in my life. And I'm not a tech person at all by all means, but I'm a big fitness and well-being person. That's why I got this product in the first place. So please bear with me as I struggle through this. Let's see where this takes us. It's gonna be interesting. So yeah, I'm gonna do like an actual unboxing where you start from the very outermost package. 과연 차라. Wow. Apple Watch.
Apple Pen.
This is always the most exciting part. See, you pull this. Ooh, wow. Goes all the way. Feels so nice. I'm just gonna put this on the side. Yeah, I'm already struggling. What am I doing? Okay, let's try to read some instructions. This one is a silver aluminum case, white sport band. So I'm a pretty basic gal, so I went for the most basic option. Didn't really consider much. What's gonna happen? I feel like I'm solving for a puzzle. Okay. Ooh. Cute design. This reminds me that I need to buy more bands now. Okay, this is 40 millimeters. Am I supposed to pull this? There's a lot of pulling activity involved today. Okay, gonna take this down all the way. What's gonna happen? Oh. Hello. Ooh, Apple Watch. There's a lot of instructions that I'm never gonna read.
No.
Okay, so this says small/medium. This says medium/large. What do I do with this? I'm probably gonna go with the small, medium. So to take this out, I'm gonna oh, just take this out like that. Okay, feels very bandy because it is a band.
Huh?
Wow, I feel like I really suck at this. I want to see the actual watch. There you go. Do I just... That did not work.
2 hours later.
Come on. I want to see your face. Can someone tell me how to do this?
Stop it. Get some help.
Oh, there you go. Oh. Designed by none other than Apple in California. Okay. I feel like I'm just making a lot of mess in the background, so I'm just gonna take some of them away.
Too biggie.
So here I have the actual brain of the whole thing. So I'm gonna try to gently remove the stickers. Oh, do I do the other side first? Yeah, this one first. Ugh. So beautiful. Oh, yes. Hello. See the magnet in the back. This is probably the charger. It has a little knob. I don't exactly know how to use this. I'm not a big Apple product user, so I'll figure this out later. Okay. I actually want to now plug everything in. Okay, I think I actually do need to read the instructions. So, to attach bands, slide in until you hear a click. Oh, so this part is actually for both small and medium, I feel like, right? Is this the top? Yeah, this looks like the top. So I'm gonna remove this. It says to slide in until you hear it click. So is this the top? Can't, ooh. How do you tell which one's the top? That's a good question. I'm gonna take a guess and say this. Okay, let me compare this with the instruction. I feel like this one's the top, no? Okay, I'm gonna slide it in. How do I? Am I not? This way? Okay, maybe this is not the top then. Like that. What am I doing wrong?
Everything.
I need to figure this out. Oh, it turned on. I don't know what I did. Okay, so now that's the top. That is a top.
Wow.
This is so hard. Trying to film and assemble these all at once. Okay, yeah, I am struggling a lot more than I thought. Oh, I think I got it. Look. Did I? Not. I keep pushing this button. Yeah. Okay. Oh, I think I got it in. Oh, it's moving by itself. I don't know. Okay. Choose region, United. Hold on. English. Choose region, United States. I feel like I need to do the bottom as well. So I'm gonna bring this one up, and now I should be better at sliding this thing because I've done it once. Wait, I haven't done anything yet. Hold on, stop moving. I think I just heard a click. Did you guys hear a click? Now, oh, the rest is not English, so I can't even. Okay, it just
band to fit close to your wrist for optimal performance. What is this dust? What? Okay, just gonna. Y'all, I shaved my arm just for this. Is that a TMI?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm not a watch person, so is that why I'm struggling with even putting this on? I think I'm embarrassing myself to the max. This one suffice? Is this what I'm supposed to do? I am so lost. I'm like sweating right now because I'm so flustered. It says something. Use this name to select your Apple Watch for manual pairing. Am I pairing?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Yeah, so that was a lot harder than I thought. I apologize for being sucking so much of technology. I promise this will never happen again. But anywho, I got to somehow make this device stay on my wrist. So time to go ride my bike.